Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi, I'm Nam and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about my scientific study. It's called Antioxidant and Inhibition of the Alpha-glucosidase enzyme in leaf and stem of Sphagneticola triobata. First, let's go through the introduction. This study aimed to investigate the potential of bioactive secondary metabolites contained in Sphagneticola triobata. We will mostly focus on leaf and stem because this is a novel plant-derived anti-cancer agent including antioxidant and inhibition of the alpha-glucosidase enzyme. So why are we choosing plants? Plants are the source of medication for preventive, curative, protective, promotive purposes. Medicational plants are an important source for generating novel phytomedicines. They provide profound therapeutic benefits, more affordable treatment, effectiveness, fewer side effects, and relatively low cost or less expensive and global competitive. So next, let's go through the overview. Sphagneticola triobata, or as known as Weardilla triobata, which is the name that we're going to use from now on, is a medicational plant known for its therapeutic effect for ulcer, sore throat, varicose headache, fever, epilepsy, amenorrhea, snakebite, wound, kidney dysfunction, hepatitis, cold, and indigestion. Some work of literature have reported the plant bioactive activity such as antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, anti-malaria, antifungal, hepatoprotective, anti-diabetic, and anti-tumor. Next, we're going to talk about antioxidants. Excessive production of free radicals during metabolic processes disrupt the antioxidants defense mechanism of the body. This leads to oxidative stress, which is associated with the molecular damage of DNA and increased lipid peroxidation of biomembranes. The naturally occurring antioxidants occur in many medical plants. They are capable of scavenging free radicals, thereby inhibiting lipid peroxidation and reducing oxidative stress. Lastly, we're going to talk about alpha-glucosidase enzymes. Alpha-glucosidase catalyzes the final step in digestive process of carbohydrate. Its inhibitor can retard the uptake dairy carbohydrate and suppress hyperglycemia and could be useful for treating diabetes or obese patients. Enough with the theories, now we move to the fun part. I'm going to talk about the method of this study. I'm going to divide this study into three parts: methanol extraction, antioxidant evaluation, and alpha-glucosidase testing. Now let's move to the methanol extraction. The methanol extraction was obtained by dividing leaf and stem from the plant. Then we will chop the stem into short pieces like 3 cm. After that, we're going to dry the leaf in this massive drying machine at 60 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. Then we will grind them in this large machine. After that, take 2 huge jars and soak in the leaf in the methanol solvent for 3 days of maceration. Then concentrate using a rotary flask evaporator. After this, we're going to move up to antioxidant evaporation and inhibition of alpha-glucosidase enzyme evaluation. First, we're going to take this, a lot of this, a lot of this, a lot of this, and move into the room with a big warning sign. The antioxidant activities were analyzed and carried out using DPPH method. The extract solution with different concentrations was prepared by dissolving the extract using millimeter methanol. As much as dissolved extract was then mixed with methanol, followed by 30 minutes incubated in the dark condition at 37 degrees and measured using ultraviolet visible spectral photometer. A negative blank was then repaired by adding DPPH into the methanol buffer. The calculation of antioxidant activities was based on this. The process of inhibition of alpha-glucosidase enzyme testing is also similar with the antioxidant evaluation, but instead of using DPPH, we are using PNPG, which will turn into P-nitrophenoxide with yellow color. The results of antioxidants showing a great result with the leaf and stem was quite well against vitamin C, which is acid ascorbic. The inhibition of alpha-glucosidase enzyme was seen a great result with the leaf, and same was quite significant when comparing to acid ascorbic. In conclusion, the result has shown that Vidilatral beta have a great possibility in preventing cancer that was caused by free radicals and great a supportive treatment for diabetes by inhibition of alpha-glucosidase enzyme. Even though there was still a lot of medical research until we can apply it on patients, the research has shown a popular and globally accepted plant that have more direct antioxidant and inhibition activities for medical in the future. Last but not least, I want to have a thank you to my school for letting me use in the lab, and thank you to my teacher for helping me a lot on this project. It has been a long journey, and I hope to have a lot of this kind of project in the future.